Hey.
What's up?
Let's talk about something right quick.
What's up, bro?
What's up with your car, nigga?
Why nigga ranking on my shit, dog?
You got 22s?
They got robbed. He's supposed to be a hood nigga.
Fucking donut? Another fuck.
What is it? Look, I changed the grill too, look. I changed the grill. I set the grill up.
Corn ain't working, dude. We gotta go buddy.
The fucking recession. That nigga's gonna be doing gay for pay in a minute. The third fucking donut?
No, there's 4 donuts, nigga.
I only filmed 3 so far.
Oh, there's 3, man.
There's another one back here.
Is that where you
Damn,
keep
what
the
happened
bricks?
back here?
Well, I had the
Keep the
bricks.
bricks?
I had the bricks right there. Pop, pop, pop. Put them on there and I drive it.
The batteries in the trunk.
Donut
A
is
little
more.
more. It's 22-inch spinning on chrome, baby.
22-inch spinning on cast fucking garbage metal.
But I'm still giving you a jump, right?
Yeah, that's true. The bus won't fucking start.
What else is there? Wes got some
Rev that shit,
tampons up
nigga.
in it.
Rev it up. Rev it up. Somebody get in there.
Handle that, dog.
Damn, dude.
Turn off the lights, nigga.
Yeah, that ain't the fucking...
They are off.
That ain't the fucking battery, buddy. That's the alternator.